Good morning, my name is Elise and I'm totally obsessed with my luxury garden. I'm here in my backyard in Tobiano, British Columbia, overlooking Tobiano Golf Course, which is rated number 8 in the world. It is stunningly gorgeous, so come along with me as I garden and watch a little bit of golf. In this video this morning, I'm going to be harvesting my garlic, which I'm extremely excited about and also extremely nervous about because we had minus 30-degree temperatures this winter, which was incredibly low, and I honestly didn't even think that the garlic was going to sprout up this spring. When I saw it coming up this spring, I was totally shocked and excited, and I had no clue what this harvest was going to bring for me. So here we go, let's see what happens. You're going to hear the natural sounds and sights of the area, some wind, bugs, birds chirping, and golfers in the background as I harvest this garlic in real time. So this here is the vegetable bed that has the garlic in it. You can even see from up here the yellow tops. So I'm going to go down there and harvest that. And just behind it here, there's some carrots that I'll pull as well because those are getting really big. And in the background you can see Tobiano Golf Course, looking gorgeous as always. Here's a closer view of the garlic in the veggie bed, and you'll see right here I've cut off the garlic scapes at the top. I did that about 3 weeks ago, and then I used it in my cooking. And then down at the bottom here you can see there's some yellowing happening near the base of the garlic, and so this is looking like it's done. So I'm going to pull all of these. I also have drip irrigation here. You can see the lines going along here, and I've turned that off so that they could dry out. I've had it off for several days now and was just hand watering the plants on the outside here, hand watering the carrots. And over here underneath these carrot stems you can see I have this little knob here where I can turn the water to the bed on or off. So I wanted the garlic to dry out a bit, so I just turned this and it blocks the lines so this bed wasn't getting the drip irrigation water. So here it is, they're looking a little yellow and they're ready to go. That is probably the biggest garlic I've ever harvested. Wow. That is huge. That is like 3 inches wide. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I accidentally injured it, but holy, that is massive. Oh, I am beyond excited about this. Oh, these smell really good. ladybug. I am beyond excited about this harvest. Wow. This is way more than I anticipated, so this container was not big enough. But these are the biggest garlic bulbs I've ever harvested because we moved from the coast, and I was able to get garlic going very well, but never this big. So I'm super excited about it. I was very nervous about how big these garlic would be because it got extremely cold this winter. But these are amazing. They smell delicious. Here, I'll put my hand here so you can really see the size. That's like a 3-inch garlic bulb at the grocery store. An organic garlic bulb like this would be quite expensive. So the fact that I have all of this that I'm gonna dry and cure and use throughout the winter is amazing. So I'm gonna leave this here out in the heat of the sun. It gets extremely hot in the front of my house here. So I'm gonna leave them here to dry for several days, and then I will see how they're looking, get them cleaned up. I'll just probably leave them out here for a while so they can just stay hot, maybe even a couple weeks. My onion has been sitting out here for a few weeks now too, and I just kind of grab it and use it when I need it, and it's just continually drying. So I don't mind it sitting near the front door. It doesn't bother me too much, so I'll just leave it here to dry, and I'll start using it right away in cooking as needed, and then all the leftover will hopefully last me for a couple months. Wow, I am so happy about this. Group of 4 over at the green right now. And it goes. And they're off. If you made it to the end here, thank you so much for watching me as I harvested my garlic. I am completely thrilled with the results. These are the biggest garlic bulbs I've ever harvested. I've been gardening since 2012, so 11 years now, and I've never harvested bulbs this big, so I guess the -30 temperatures here were great for them. So the next steps for me are going to be to dry them out and store them. I'm going to use them now in cooking, and then I'm also going to save several bulbs, maybe 8 bulbs, and I'm going to use them this fall again to plant more, and I'll show you that in a later video. But if you made it to the end here, thank you so much for joining me, and happy gardening. Have a great day.